Hello guys, in this video today I will guide you how to manage the content of the multiple languages in the Kentico CMS, and the current version I'm using here is Kentico 12. Okay, here you can see on my screen here I have the front-end page. This is a Dancing Ghost template website here. After I install the Kentico CMS on my PC here, I'm using this template for learning. Okay. So here, this one is the admin page. Yeah. So this one is the admin page, and that part. When I click on the pages here, by default we have two languages, the English and Spanish. Okay. So here I will open the article pages page here back to the front end. So here I will call this one is the front end, and this one is the admin page for easy talking. Okay, cool. So here I back to the front end page here, click on the article in the navigation. Okay, so here you can see the list of the article in the English. So here, if I change it to the Spanish, I have the content in the Spanish here. Okay, cool. So here I back to the admin page. You can see here under the content tree, this one is the content tree, and you go to the article here. So we have some the article inside the article parent here. Okay, so here we have make it bigger. Okay, we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 article. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, cool. Here, so I back to the English. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I will go ahead to create a new article here. Right click on the article, new. Here, so I have to select the article in MVC. Here, so provide the title. I will enter it either my testing article. Okay, so I will open some content and copy it from the internet. Program. Okay, here. So I will copy the assuming this one is the English. I will copy this one, and actually it's in English. Okay. So here I will paste it in the text. I Ctrl V. Okay. So I will copy some part of the text here for summary section. Okay, this one. Oh. Copy and paste. Okay. So here the publish. I will from now and upload the thumbnail image. I will select some another image here. Anything. You can select anything here because we just do the posting for testing purpose. Okay, I will select the sidecar. Okay, cool. So here I will click on the save button. Yes, here because I'm using the admin account, so I can save it immediately. Okay, you can see the status here is the page it had been published. Okay, so back to the front end page. I will refresh this one article here. So you can see here I have a new my testing article had been posted here. Seems the summary text it is quite short. So I will add more text here. book and save it, or is it only 190? It is too long. Refresh. Yeah, look great. Okay, so now if I click on this hyperlink and view details, here you can see here we have the detail. Okay, great. Back to the home. Okay, so here I will back to the admin page and I will change it to the Spanish here. So here you can see underneath of the article I have my testing article page also duplicated in the Spanish, but you can see here the A icon. So if you hover to the A icon here, it said not translated page. That means for now we don't have the content translated to the Spanish for my testing article page. Okay, so but if you change it to the Spanish here in the front-end page, it will automatically copy the content from the English for Spanish. Yeah, I will open this one. Yeah, so here you can see the content in the English. Okay, it is so good because if you only filter the content in the Spanish and Spanish, when you select the language is Spanish, but in the admin page you the this page is not translated, yes, so you cannot see it in the Spanish. Okay, here back to the admin, and when you select the my testing article page here, it says the page does not exist in the current culture. You can create a new culture version either of the page. Okay, so here we have three options. First one is create a new empty page here. So empty page, that means you have to it looks like the same when you create new page. Everything will be blank, and you have to add new the content for the title, summary, and also the text and the thumbnail image as well. Okay, so here the option 2 is copy content from another language. Here, so here if you have multiple languages in the system, it will list down here. And here in this demonstration, I have only two languages, English and Spanish. So here, and now you are in the Spanish, and that means it will not list out the Spanish in this dropbox. Okay, only the English here. So that means we have only one choice for the content copy. Okay, so here we have another option is save the new page before editing. Okay, cool. So that means after if you select this option, so it will copy the content from the English and save it, add save the content from English, add a new content for the Spanish, and after that it will open this page in the Spanish for you to edit. Okay, so here we have third option is translate using translation service. So here it will manual translation. You have to select the translation from content, and you can also attach the translation script and send it to the translation service. You can select the priority for this translation. By default it will be normal, and we have low and high. Okay, so we have a translation deadline for this one, and you can also have some note for the instruction of the translation for translator. Okay, so here if you select third option here, it will take it will take a long time for publish the content to the website. Okay, so here I recommend you to select the option 1 or option 2. In this demonstration, I will select option 2 by copy the content from another language here. It should be the English. I click on create page here. So after that, you can see here the A icon has just changed to text icon here in green. It said this page is published. Okay, so you copy all of the title, summary text, and all of the configuration for for this page in the English for Spanish. Okay, cool. So now here I can go ahead to edit the title, summary, and also the thumbnail image for this one. Okay, I back to the program page here. I will copy something here. It is not in English. Back to the admin page. I will replace the text in English here. It's so big. Uh, Gosh, inspect. Okay, so I will open the notepad. So you can see here, if I paste the content here, it will keep the style the style for of the text from the program page here. So I don't want to keep it in this style. So I have to paste it to another editor to remove the style of it. Paste it here again. Oh, still big. Cut it. I will change it to the shortcode. Paste it here. Back it. Okay, good. I will copy this one. Okay. So here save it. Okay, the changes were accepted. So here back to this one, and I will refresh this here. So you can see here, after I refresh this page, so the content has been changed to the Spanish. Okay, cool. So here I go ahead to click on the article page on the navigation and see. Yeah, so you can see here we have the hyperlink has been changed to the new language, and also summary text changed as well. Okay, English, yeah, Spanish. Okay, yeah. So that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to manage the content for multiple languages in the Kentico CMS. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.